So now let's start this activity. Try this. Do this activity in groups of 4. From your compass boxes, collect set squares of the same shapes and place them side by side in all possible different ways. What figures do you get? Write their names. So first A, 2 set squares, means by using 2 set square you have to form different shapes. Then B, 3 set squares, and C, 4 set squares. Now we'll take 2 set squares of same shape and place them side by side in all possible ways and see what figures are we getting. So first we'll take set squares of 45 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree and arrange them in this way. Then we are getting a triangle. What kind of triangle it is? Yes, it is an isosceles triangle because its 2 sides are equal. Now again we will take 2 set squares and arrange them in this way. Then what kind of figure are we getting? Yes, square. Okay, so same square we will take and we will add one more set square to it in following way, that is 3 set squares makes a quadrilateral which is having 4 sides. Now same quadrilateral we will take, one more set square we will add to it, that is 4 set squares will give us rectangle. Now the same set squares, 4 set squares will arrange in this way, then we are getting a square. So now by using 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree set squares we get figures like isosceles triangle, quadrilateral and rectangle. So now we'll begin with practice set 38. First they have told us that draw quadrilateral XYZW and name the following. Yes. So first we will draw the quadrilateral with the help of scale. Okay. So here in this way we'll draw one quadrilateral. Okay. So now here is a quadrilateral. We have to name it. They have given us the name. What is that name? Quadrilateral XYZW. Yes. So suppose if you are writing X here, either go clockwise or go anti-clockwise. So I am going clockwise and writing XYZW. So did I finish the diagram? Yes. Now we will name the following questions whatever they have given. The first question, the pairs of opposite angles. So we'll write here the pairs of opposite angles are. Now opposite angles and opposite sides, how many pairs do we have? Very good, we have only 2 pairs. Yes, so we will write those pairs. Yeah. Now opposite angles do not have common side. Okay. So first select any one angle. Suppose I am selecting angle XYZ. XYZ means this angle. Yes. Now opposite to that is W. Yes. So I had started this angle XYZ. No. So start this angle also XWZ and angle XWZ. You can also write ZWX. Okay. So this and this opposite angle is over. Now remaining is this one. How to write? WXY or YXW. Anyway, how we will write? One way, any one way you select. WXY. And opposite to that is Z. Z you can write YZW or WZY. How we will write? WZY. So this angle is opposite to this one. So we have finished the second thing, that is first thing, that is the pairs of opposite angles. Okay. Next what they are asking? Yes, the pairs of opposite sides. Okay. So we'll write the pairs of opposite sides are again 2 pairs. Yeah. Opposite to each other. Very simple. See children, angle, so we have written angle. Okay. Now side, so we'll write side. Okay. Select any one side. Suppose I am selecting xy. Then write side xy. And opposite to that, xy's opposite is wz, or you can write zw. Anyway, okay. So side wz. Understood? Don't forget to write this. Second. Now this and this is over. Now this and this one. So we'll write side xw and side what? yz. Okay. So in this way we are having again two pairs of opposite sides. So now open your CW, write practice set 38, write down the question. Okay. Then after writing the question, make an arrow and draw the quadrilateral as shown on the board and write the answers to the first two questions. So now we'll answer the third question. For that, the pairs of adjacent sides are. Children, always remember we have 4 pairs of adjacent sides and 4 pairs of adjacent angles. Okay. Adjacent means neighboring. Okay. So first what we will do, we will select one side. For that, see, it is side now, so you have to write here side. Now select any one side. For example, I am selecting side x, y. Okay. Now we all know adjacent side is having common vertex. Yeah. So x, y, then other one will be y, z. Okay. So the adjacent sides first pair is side x, y and side y, z. So is y and y common here? Understood how to find out? Now the second pair. So for writing the second pair, take the same side down. Side yz. Okay. Yz. Then adjacent to it will be zw. And side zw. Okay. Now third pair. Side. Take this down. Zw means zw. Adjacent to it will be wx and side wx. Next fourth one, side, take this one down, wx. wx adjacent will be x, y and side xy. Did we get the first pair first side? Yeah. So here we have got the 4 pairs of adjacent sides. So now let's begin with the fourth question, that is the pairs of adjacent angles. Okay. So the pairs of adjacent angles are, okay, we are having total 4 pairs. Let's select one angle. Yeah. And we know that adjacent angles are having common side. Okay. So first we'll select one of the angle, for example, angle XYZ. Angle XYZ. And which will be the adjacent angle to this? We'll start from Y. See, angle YZW. YZ. See, yeah? Angle YZW. Now, can you see side YZ is common in that? Yes, means this pair is correct. Okay. So, our first pair is, just look in the diagram, angle XYZ and angle YZW. Now, second pair, how to start? Take this angle down. Angle YZW. Angle YZW. Now, adjacent to it will start from here. ZWX. And angle ZWX. Did you understand? Now, third pair. Take this one down. Angle ZWX. See, ZWX. Yeah. Adjacent to it will be WXY. And angle WXY. Now take this angle down. Fourth pair. Angle WXY and see, WXY. Adjacent to it will be angle XYZ. Angle XYZ. So did we get the first pair's first angle again? So our pairs are stopped. So we have total 4 pairs of adjacent angles and they are in this way. So now After writing the first two questions answer, now write number 3 and write the adjacent sides pair. Then write pairs of adjacent angle. Later on we'll start the next question. So the question is the diagonals of quadrilateral. Okay. So we are going to write the diagonals of the quadrilateral are. So we all know there are how many diagonals? 2 diagonals. Yes. The line segment which join the opposite vertices is called as a diagonal. So if we'll draw a line segment in this way, what will be its name? Yes, XZ. Yeah. So we are going to say it as diagonal XZ, or you can also say ZX. Okay. Now second one, joining these two vertices, it will be diagonal YW, or you can say WY, but these are the two diagonals of quadrilateral. Question 6. The names of the quadrilateral in different ways. Okay, so on the board it is written the names of the quadrilateral in different ways are, we'll write clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, so first we'll start with clockwise. Then how it will be X, Y, Z, W. How to write and say quadrilateral X, Y, Z, W. Okay. Next, what you can say? Leave this. Start with this. Y, Z, W and then X. Okay. See. Y, Z, W, X. Next, third quadrilateral Z, W, X, Y. Z, W, X, Y. And fourth one quadrilateral W, X, Y, Z. W, X, Y, Z. So these are the 4 names in clockwise direction. Now we will write the names in anti-clockwise direction, means in this way. Okay. So first quadrilateral X, W, Z, Y. X, W, Z, Y. Next quadrilateral W, Z, Y, X. W, Z, Y, X. Quadrilateral next one, can you tell? Yes. Z, Y, X, W. Z, Y, X, W. And last, very good. Y, X, W, Z. Y, X, W, Z. So here total we are having 8 different names of quadrilateral. So in this way we have completed the first question of practice set 38. So now write down the answer to question 5 and question 6 neatly in your CW. Question 2. In the table below, write the number of sides the polygon has. So here we are having the names of figure. Here we are going to write the number of sides. Okay. So first quadrilateral. Quadrilateral is having how much sides? Very good. Quadrilateral has number 4 sides. Yeah. So 4 number of sides. Octagon 8. Good. Pentagon. Yes. 5 sides. Heptagon 7 sides. And hexagon 6 sides. So write down question 2 in this way in your CW. Question 3. Look for examples of polygons in your surrounding and draw them. So I have drawn 3. You can draw more, but don't draw this. So look at search for some different objects or things and draw them. Okay. So I have drawn the quadrilateral shape of bricks. Okay. Here hexagon I have used the weights, measuring weights. Okay. And here gift box in the shape of octagon. If you have some other things in your surrounding, you can draw and complete the question. Okay. Question 4. We see polygons when we join the tips of the petals of various flowers. Draw these polygons and write the number of sides each polygon of each polygon. So here I have drawn different flowers with different number of petals. If you will see here, we are having 5 petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we join the tips, that time we got 5 sides. Is it? See, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So number of petals and number of sides are equal, and that is how much? 5. So how much sides this figure will have? 5. Okay. So now if you will see the next flower, that next flower is having 6 petals and how much number of sides? Very good. 6. Yeah. 5 sides if you want to write it in this way. 6 sides. Next, how much? Very good. 7 sides. Next, yes, 8 sides. So here we have got the number of sides of different polygons. Question 5. Draw any polygon and divide it into triangular part as shown here. Thus, work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. Okay, means, see, draw any polygon. Means, we have to draw any polygon. Here we'll count the number of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 sides. Means this is an hexagon. You can also draw heptagon, pentagon, octagon. Okay, now after drawing the polygon, we have to divide it into triangular part. So select any one vertex and from there draw the lines and divide the polygon into triangular part. So I have taken the same diagram which is there in your textbook. Okay, after that, see, thus work out the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. Means you have to find addition of the angles of these polygons. How many angles are there? 6 angles, yes. So when we will add that 6 angle, what will be the measure? That we have to find out. Now how to find out? See here. First, children, we will count number of triangles in this polygon. So number of triangles are 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we'll write here the number of triangles in the given polygon is equals to 4. Now, after writing number of triangle, we have already learned in the previous lesson the sum of the measures of angles of triangle. Yes, so we'll write the sum of the measures of the angles of triangle. So triangle is having how many angles? Very good, 3 angles. And their sum is how much? We have learned that. How much? Very good, that is 180 degree. Okay. Now we will find the measure of this polygon. Yes, so we'll write the same statement. See, therefore the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon is equals to, how many triangles we have? 4. In this polygon, how many triangles we have? 4. Yes. What is the measure of one triangle? 180 degree. Yes. So will it come 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree, 180 degree 4 times? So we'll write 4 multiplied by 180 degree. Did you understand? So if we'll multiply 18 4 is 72 and this 1 0 will give us measurement 720 degree. This polygon is nothing but what? Hexagon. Yes. So the sum of the measures of the angles of hexagon is how much? 720 degree. So we'll write here, therefore the sum of the measures of the angles of the polygon. What is that polygon? Yes, what is that polygon? Very good, hexagon. We'll just write in bracket, okay? Hexagon is 720 degree. Yes, so here we have finished our lesson quadrilateral. So I hope you have understood it. Complete the practice set neatly in your CW.